join in this event. And I would like to acknowledge Youth Alive for Christ for their presence here. The director would be Brother Alan Conrado. And the director. Let's give them a round of applause. And also, here would be Elohim Full Gospel Christian Fellowship, spearheaded by Pastor Danny. Okay. And others would be Bethel Pentecostal Church Incorporated, spearheaded by Brother Alan Conrado as well, and Sister Rachel Neri, the youth president. Wow, talaga namang ang daming pumunta ngayon. And also, the chosen generation of Jesus. Where are they? Woo! Pastor Miguel de los Reyes. Okay, that's their leader. And also, Grace of Life Church. We also acknowledge your presence here today. Where are they? Diyan sila, katabi-tabi. Okay, and this is spearheaded also by Brother J.R. and Brother M. Grace of Life Church. And other than that, there's also Christ Contract Workers International Church. Yeah, there you go. Thank you po sa pagpunta. We are so blessed and happy to be here, here in our church. This is spearhead 287. O diba? 200 plus yung ngayon. Okay, kung sino man yung keep it. Okay, later nila mariritingin. Other would be 141. Next would be 21. Guys, listen, kasi grabe yung pinanda namin sa inyong surprise. Oh, diba? May gano'n na rin. Yun, 21. Then the next one would be 129. 131. O, di ba parang bingo lang? 131. 102. I repeat, 102. 147. Alright, so dali. Ilan yun? 17. Matandaan mo, 17. 61. 10. 160. 138, sorry.